Novocaine, and we back at it. Porch Tap Out. I got my man G Thang is going down. So G, check it out. Man, yeah. We got this thing called Porch Tap Out, man. We tap out everything. Anything that ain't funny, political, whatever the case may be. Like, for example, I'm gonna tap out all the people that's jumping on the bandwagon, dogging all the comedians that's having troubles right now in their life. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tap them out. They get up out of here with all that. We're supposed to help each other. You feel me?
I totally feel you. I thought it was a picture. I didn't know nigga I didn't know you turned the video on. Goddamn picture. This nigga went. I want to tap this nigga Novocaine out for making me think that it was a picture and it was a goddamn video. Nigga, this is TMZ and snuck up on the nigga. Jokes. I got my man Trey Elliott and it's going down.
What's happening?
Look, tap out, man. We tapping out anything that's political, anything that's funny, anything you don't like, anything, man. Whatever it is, man, we tapping it out. You know what I'm saying? So what is it that you want to give a tap out?
Donald Trump, man. Fuck Donald Trump. But if he get in, I think it's gonna bring unity amongst all the minorities. And that means you two Asians. Y'all don't think y'all minorities. So yeah, that's what I'm tapping in out. I'm out.
Yeah. This time I got my man Scruncho. You know what I'm saying? It's going down. So look, Scruncho, you can tap out anything that you want. Political, funny, it can be crazy, weird, you know, deep, however you want to do it. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm gonna tap out all the women who's out here trying to catch, and only thing they catching is the cold. They can tap out, get up out of here with all that. So what is it that you want to tap out?
I'm gonna tap out the political race, you know what I mean? For everybody who hate on Obama and don't agree that he's the most greatest president that ever lived on this planet, that opened it up for everybody, kill yourself.
Robert Powell, you know what it is. It's going down. Yeah. So look, we got this tap out thing going on, man. It's going nationwide, man. And we just tapping out anything that don't make sense, anything that's negative, anything that's funny to you or whatever. They just get the tap out. Okay. I'm gonna tap out women who go in a grocery store dressed like they going to the gym, knowing good and doggone well they don't work out. She gets the tap out. Get up
tap out.
Yeah.
Bye. Hey, bitch, you see me trying to buy some beats? Put some clothes on. Trying to get some groceries and some fruit and shit, and you in here bent over with some spandex on. How I supposed to shop? Tap out, go home.
Get out of here. Yo, Tony Baker in the house, baby. It's going down. Porch Tap Out. So you know what it is. What is it that you want to tap out, TB?
What is it that I want to tap out?
Yeah.
What you mean?
Anything, man. You know, like people, people believe that the plane mysteriously vanished out the sky. You know what I'm saying? You get the tap out. Get up out.
I want to tap out these side hugs women are giving, man. Tired of the side hug, booty out hug, man. Full frontal hug, man.
Over here, man.
We tapping out side hug. That's what we do.
Why you holding me on, man?
Hey, there it is. Rocco still trying to steal the shine. He already had his time. But you know what? That was my man Tony Baker. I'm your boy. He hit you with the
hold on. You ain't shit.
Rocco.
You mean nothing. Hey, you don't even have a social. I'm tapping that out.
Oh, Rocco Stone just
tapping
tapped
you
out
out,
Tony
baby.
Baker, man. It's going down.
I'm tapping back in. I'm tapping back.
Tony Rock in the building. Porch Tap Out is going down. So look, Porch Tap Out.
Oh shit, I'm on the spot. I want to tap out bitches that ain't bringing nothing to the table other than a pussy. Because guess what? The next bitch got a pussy too and a job. Or the next bitch got a pussy and a job and a car. The next bitch got a pussy and a job and a car and clean house. So if it's all you bring to the table is pussy, I'm tapping you out.
There it is. Tony Rock tapping you out. You got to bring more to the table than your cookies. D-Lord from the Smoke Yours crew.
You know what I'm talking about, man. The vice president of the Smoke Yours crew. I want to tap out nappy hitting females. But this natural shit, it's a thin line between natural and African. I'm just saying, not African is bad or anything, but it's a thin line between just naps in the sack and natural. You know what I'm saying? It's a curly natural. You know what I mean? You gotta feel me on that, man.
I feel
these women out here got that nappy, like.
Yeah, listen, ladies, let me tell you something. Canker bugs is worse than bed bugs.
Yeah.
We don't want it. We don't want it. You get
no
the tap
parabens.
Out.
Use the stuff with no parabens. Go all natural, man. No parabens. Shit.
Hey, this is your boy D-Lord from the Smoke Yours crew.
Yep.
I'm your boy Novocaine. Porch Tap Out.
And if you see my baby mama, you ain't seen me. You ain't seen me.